Whether you're coordinating talent, managing high-stakes interviews, or just supervising production, use the control room features to bring a level of studio professionalism to every recording session. In this video, we'll go over control room operations and what each user can see and do. To get started, open a room from a new or existing project and invite your team and guests to join by sending a link. On the right, you'll find the People menu, where you can see who's in the room, what role they have, and who's currently on screen or being recorded. Just below, you'll see the chat panel that lets you message the group. Or if you're on a business or enterprise plan, send direct messages to individuals during the recording session. You may also see additional tools based on your role and plan, such as editor comments for leaving post-production notes and push-to-talk for giving off-screen cues and direction. There are 4 main roles and rooms depending on your plan. Guests and hosts are available on all plans. Co-hosts and producers are available on business and enterprise plans. Guests are recorded on audio and video and can participate in public and private chats. Hosts and co-hosts are the facilitators. They can assign or update roles, monitor everyone's camera and mic, start and stop recordings, and leave editor comments. Producers work behind the scenes. They have all the same capabilities as hosts and co-hosts, but they're never seen or recorded in the final content. They also have exclusive access to push-to-talk, which lets them speak privately to selected participants without being heard or seen on the recording. To use it, producers choose who they want to speak to and press push-to-talk. Then a notification tells the person that a producer is speaking to them. So to recap, guests can be recorded and participate via chat, but they have no recording permissions. Hosts and co-hosts can control recordings, assign roles, use chat, and leave editor comments. Producers can do everything hosts can do, plus stay off screen and use push-to-talk to direct the session without showing up on the recording. So whether you're leading the session, directing from behind the scenes, or joining as a guest, using control rooms gives your team the tools to collaborate smoothly. Try it out in your next recording and run your session like a pro.